So, in this video, we'll demonstrate the use of Wacom Tablet with the pen that comes with the Wacom Tablet. We'll demonstrate the use of this with two different pieces of software. One is Smart Notebook, which a lot of people are familiar with, and you can see from this that the Wacom pen acts like a mouse, so we can select pen, different colors of pen, and write. Takes a little bit of getting used to about how to use the pen. I'm not that proficient at it, but it shows the way in which you would use the pen to write on Smart Notebook slide. You can also use the pen as a mouse, and so if you want to add a slide, you would go down here, and this adds a slide, a new slide. So the other way to demonstrate this is with Zoom. So this is a Zoom sharing a desktop with a whiteboard. And so if I wanted to have a Zoom session and I choose share my screen, I can then demonstrate the use of the Wacom Tablet during a Zoom session. The Wacom tablets are about $80, and for anyone who wants to continue to do this, I'm sure that they'd come in very handy. And I'll do a screencast also of one of these so that you can see the screen better. This is just to demonstrate both the Wacom tablet and the computer screen.